In celebration of the Air Jordan 5's 35th anniversary, Jordan Brand is bringing the iconic silhouette back into the spotlight through its Meaningful Wings initiative. Slated for release in fall 2025, this edition showcases a sophisticated medium gray, black, and metallic silver colorway, offering a more refined take compared to the vibrant, student-designed 2018 Wings version. The Wings program, inspired by Michael Jordan's gratitude toward impactful educators, aims to empower youth through education by funding scholarships. While official design details are still under wraps, early images hint at special embroidery on the lateral heel and toe tip, along with unique elements like a commemorative hand tag and semi-translucent outsole. These distinctive touches highlight the brand's fusion of style, purpose, and storytelling. By subtly blending elegance with symbolic detail, this release carries forward the Wings legacy, not only as a premium sneaker design,